We're here at the Paris Air Show with Mr. Glenn Johnson, president of Horizon Air, who has just ordered some Q400s for operation in the state of Alaska. Glenn, what difficulties does the state of Alaska have, and what new capabilities have you introduced with your unique avionics on the Q400?
Yeah, you know, the state of Alaska obviously has some very mountainous terrain, difficult weather conditions, and where we really started with this was in Juneau back in the 1980s. I've been with Alaska Air Group for 30 years now, and so I can remember times when we couldn't get into Juneau for days on end. And so Alaska Airlines really pioneered using HGS, heads-up guidance system, and then coupled that with RMP, Required Navigation Performance, which uses the satellites and the GPS array to navigate by. Now, on the 737s, they actually have two inertial reference systems that provide the other source of the guidance. On the Q400, we actually don't have that capability, so we utilize the wide area augmentation system. And so that gives us essentially an ILS, virtual ILS, to shoot every approach anywhere in our system. So we're very excited about that. We're using it currently. We have a precision down to 0.3 right now, and we actually just finished our proving runs with the FAA for 0.1.
Wow, that's great performance. That certainly should open up a lot of airports in Alaska and a lot of potential for feed traffic for Alaska.
Absolutely, yeah. And so the next step, of course, is to then get the actual RMP approaches designed for each of those airports. Some of those Alaska has already, and some will have to use specifically for the Q400.
Well, that's great. Sounds like a great competitive advantage for Alaska Air Group. Thanks very much.
It is a competitive advantage, and we're pleased with it.